Where are the prima donnas? Where's the prima donnas? Oh, there's some. There's some. More prima donnas. Over here. Oh, nice.
I need belly lift.
Daddy. Daddy who? Me? Am I your daddy?
You look like a tourist. Yeah, he does.
I just...
Look at the back of his shirt. Okay, I want to see. She told me all about your shirt. I want to see.
Where's the oars? Show me your oars. I don't see any oars. How can you be a rowing club? Oh, there we go. One oar. One sad little oar. And it's not even in the water. You ready to go? They will sometime today. He's got a little shade. But weather's perfect. It's Petaluma, of course the weather's perfect. That's right. Glad you're here. I'm glad you're here. Now what is this float about? Helen Putnam? Who? Are you Helen Putnam? Wow, you look pretty good. Helen Putnam? Are you running for mayor again? 3 princesses? How wonderful.
1 princess and some alternates.
Oh, alternate princesses. Do you know what you got up there?
It's a mess.
No kidding.
Troublemakers.
Troublemakers all from front to back, but right there in the middle. Don't give me that look, bub.
It's that quarter kid.
You guys ready for the parade to start? Yeah, me too. Hi, how are you?
They're slow.
Okay, so now you're going to do some gymnastics? I don't see any flips. Where's the flips? Uh-oh. Playing the role of audience. Hello, Eileen. Hello, Amy. Boo! Oh, you scared me. Ha. Say something. This is a video camera, so you can move and talk and stuff. Perfect. Not you. Okay, say it again. What'd you say? Wave. Say hi. Wave. Yeah. Oh, I even have it turned on this time. How are ya? Great. Knock him off. Knock him off the bike. Yell out. Oh. Ah. Hey, you know what? I've been trying to get everybody to scoot together so I can get a group photo of the whole thing. You think? No? Who are the cute kids?
I don't know.
How can this be? Must be from Mom.
I know.
How are you?
This one.
Yeah, I knew. I know.
They're getting bigger, you don't ask.
Yeah. I'm good. Hey, dude. How are you, Maya?
You like your shoes? Yeah, you like your shoes?
Shoes.
Who wouldn't? They match today, too.
What are you dressed as?
What do you mean, what am I dressed as? I'm just good looking.
Are you part of it?
Hello. Hello, I'm in the parade. Please wave for me. Say hello.
Tyler, give me one.
Yeah, that's right. Keep priorities out.
Another great example of how here.
Which,
Petaluma Butter Neck Day Parade.
what year, what Butter Next Day is this?
To the Kenilworth Junior High School.
This is like the 75th or something?
How many years in the parade? 29. This is
29?
29. Yeah.
They've been to
Hey, what
Disneyland.
band are you guys?
We're 84.
What? You're number 84? Yeah, what number you are?
With you guys, down them.
What band are you? Kenilworth. Thank you. He thought you guys were a number. I don't know. Nice going, Coach.
Well, yeah. There you go.
Oh, man.
Participate Led today by drum major Megan Washburn, the sounds of the Kenilworth Junior High School Marching Band.
Giving away money, 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 money.
Gap, a newly emerging subwine region on the Sonoma coast.
Sing,
And
dance.
here comes Elam Lutheran Church. Baby, baby. Although this is the first year Elam has participated as a parade entry, this community-minded church has been pulling together to serve Petaluma for 85 years. Happens to be my church, incidentally. I love it. We help start.
Thank you, thank you.
We support Capcom's 2-week interfaith week. Teams helping in the kitchen and rebuilding. Hi guys, hello. And that's Reverend Jim Geldrin.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
How's the weather?
It's good.
What are you
Were
doing?
you out there videotaping everyone?
You know, I walk by and I talk to people. Hello again. Let's see, I gotta pan in.
Boogie Woogie Man in a black dress. Boogie Woogie Man in a black dress.
Great job
Featuring
being an audience.
We're amazing.
You are amazing.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Quality of life.
For all seniors.
Who is this for? Hey, Mary, how are you? Hello, everybody. Hi, Uncle Sonny. Hi, Edna Mae. Hi. Good to see you. That looks pretty good. Out like a light. What's cooking? Good looking? You look lovely today. My lovely wife.
How excellent was Elam?
Yes, it was great. Uncle Sonny's coming by. What do you guys?
More beer.
More beer. I bet she does. So, you know, I don't want to wait in line, so can you just, and I don't have any money, so can you just give me one?
You have to go around, you have a wristband on now.
A wristband? Wristband?
That means that you're... I'm going to call you up.